Hello and welcome to the 14th lesson of the Dothraki tutorial. Today we will be focusing on the imperative mood of verbs, specifically informal commands. Only 3 vocab words today. 1 noun, hadaen, food. 1 verb, lakat, to cry. And 1 particle, zhey. This vocative particle is used to address people. So in Dothraki, to address John, I would say zhey John, and not just John. This particle can be used with any noun as well. Now let's go to the text. Zhey mai, jilas yal yeri, vo fejos mori. Zhey yali, adachas hadaen yeri, vo indos sewa fich. Zhey rij, zheanas, vo lakos. Zhey javorsa. Sichtes vorsa es, vo ovethos. Grammar time. To command someone in Dothraki, you have to conjugate the verb in a different way than you learn to conjugate it. You conjugate it in the imperative mood. In Dothraki, there are 2 types of imperative mood conjugations, informal and formal. Today, we are only going to focus on informal commands. It's used more for the mundane and the everyday requests. We will cover formal requests in a later lesson. So here's how you conjugate in the informal imperative. For AT verbs, first drop the ending. If it's positive, add an AS to the end, add the word vo or vos in front of the verb, then add OS to the end of the verb. So jilat would become jilas and vos jilos. Now if your verb is an LAT verb, drop the ending. If it's positive, add an S to the end. If it's negative, replace the final vowel with an O and add an S at the end. So dothralat would become dothras and vos dothros. So here's what I want you to do for your practice. Conjugate every single verb that you know so far in the imperative mood. Pretend to address a noun that you know as you conjugate each verb. Dothras check.